Hello everyone. Today is 18 October 2021. My name is Rameshwar Narayan Balerao, and today's our video topic is Angular. Angular is a platform or a framework to building a single page application using the HTML, CSS, and TypeScript. The TypeScript are the TypeScript TypeScript are the provide the functionality or TypeScript are connected to the Spring with the help of URL, hypertext URL, uh, hypertext reference, and the TypeScript are receive the object from the Spring and fill the fill the value in the structure. And HTML, the work of the HTML is the build the structure of the web application, means the how to uh, how to manage the web page, uh, means the size of the any image or any blocks, paragraphs, fonts, all are including in HTML. And the CSS is used to the provide the styling to the web page, means the CSS is used to um, create the attractive to the web page. And Angular and the Angular is Angular are there are two. One is the ng module, and second is the component. The ng module, Angular is a Angular platform are build or creating the number of ng modules or blocks of ng model. And in 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 any Angular code, the one at the rate component are required, because the if you load any server, that time the dot html page are call. And then firstly, if any website are hit, then index.html page are call. And then index.html page are jump to the root component, uh, root component. And then the our project is running. And there are uh, there are ng modules are provide the some features, means the libraries are provided through the ng modules. And we can use the ng modules functionality using the import to those classes. And next is a TypeScript. In Angular platform, the functionality are provided. uh, we can write the code of the web page, on web page loaded code are write in component.html class. And the css code are css code are written in component.css. And we can also write the css code in the component.html, that is called as inline css. And we can component.tss is a in component.tss, there are main code are written in the component.ts. And there are classes there are some classes are provided through the uh, Angular. uh, First one is a modules. In modules, we can import those libraries or those classes we need to in Angular code. And Angular code are build on TypeScript language. and the environment class is also required. Environment class, uh, any any variable or any type of data are used in last time in our code. That type of data are stored in environment. That's why the if any chances we can change the this data. We cannot change your we cannot change your all codes. You can change only the environment class. That's all about the Angular. Thank you.